जनु धनं तकिट जनु तधन धनत जनु तकिट जनु तत धनत जनु तकिट जनु तते धनत जनु तकिट जनु तंकृत तरकृत जनु धनत जनु ततुं धनत जनु तकिट जनु तं धनत दी धनत दी तदि धनत दी धनत दी तं धनत जनु तदि मित किट तक तक जनु तं तक जनु तं तक जनु तं.
अनुकृति, इसमें सब्जेक्ट्स क्या होंगे फोक डांस में? व्हाट आर द थीम्स अराउंड विच ऑल दीज डांसेस आर क्रिएटेड?
जैसे मैंने डेफिनेशन में बताया, ये लोगों से आया है, तो हम जो करते हैं रोज़मर्रा के जीवन में वही उसकी थीम्स बन जाती हैं. जैसे मान लीजिए कुछ तो ऐसे होते हैं एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ से, आप कुछ रोपने जा रहे हैं या आप हार्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, उस पे गाने बन जाते हैं. मौसम अच्छा दिख रहा है, उसके ऊपर गाने बज जाते हैं और लोग डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं. कुछ रिलीजियस थीम्स होती हैं, जैसे कि गरबा रिलीजियस थीम पे ही बेस्ड है. आप गर्भ रखते हैं, दैट इज़ डिपिक्शन ऑफ मदर, और वो माँ दुर्गा का स्वरूप होते हैं और उसके चारों तरफ, तो रिलीजियस थीम्स हो गई. फिर कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स होते हैं विच आर पंक्चुएशंस इन आवर लाइफ, जैसे कि घर में बच्चा आता है, उस पर उत्तर प्रदेश में सोहर गाई जाती है, उसी के ऊपर डांस भी होता है. या फिर किसी की शादी, जो बड़े बड़े इवेंट्स हुए लाइफ में, तो इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड जितनी भी things and nature. That is.
And Alekhya, what are the themes in classical dance? Are they different from the themes in folk dances?
Yes, Paritosh, because we have already discussed that it has a discipline and the level of spontaneity is regulated in the classical dance. But we usually follow Hindu mythology. Like most of the classical dances enact the stories which are present in Hindu mythology, especially Ramayana and Mahabharata. And you are a singer, right? So I would guess that you would be knowing about Ashtapadis.
Okay, from Jayadev's Geeta Govind.
Jayadev's Geeta Govindam, which are very famous, and this was because of Bhakti movement. And along with that, in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam, we perform dances on Kshetriya Padams, Kirtanas of Annamacharya also.
So Alekhya, जब भी हम इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पे लैंड करते हैं दिल्ली में, तो जो सबसे पहली चीज़ जिस पे नज़र पड़ती है वो है हस्त मुद्रा. There is a large mural with the हस्त मुद्रा. So what is the importance of mudras in classical dance?
There is lot of importance of mudras in classical dance. It is one of the most striking feature also. I would like to recite a sloka from Natya Shastra. It goes like this. Yeto hastaha tato drishtihi. Yeto drishtihi tato manaha. Yeto manaha tato bhavaha. Yeto bhavaha tato rasaha. This sloka tells us the importance of hastamudra, which means, see, this is where the hand goes, the drishti follows, and then it is subsequently followed by the mind, and then it gives expressions, and finally it leads to emotions. Actually, this sloka is taught to every dancer when they begin their career in the dance by the gurus.
Okay, so what are some of the mudras that...
Paritosh, now let's stop here. We would like to exchange this role now.
Okay.
Till now you were asking us questions and we were answering. Let's just turn this. So we will show you some mudras and you have to answer it to us.
Just try guessing. We'll try to show you some gods.
Yes.
And you have to guess ki kaun sa god. So I'll start.
Yes.
Hello. So okay. Now tell me, what is this?
That looks like a deer to me. I've seen that.
Yeah,
Mudra
actually that
almost
is
near,
yeah.
but just try to...
Any four-legged animal is shown like this. Okay, I'll try to change this bit. What if I do this?
You just observe the upper hand, right hand.
Okay, this looks like Krishna to me.
Yes,
Absolutely
you are
right. So this is
absolutely
used to show Mayur, which she showed in the beginning.
Right.
So you do like this. So you put a Mayur
Mayurasam.
pang. If I would have done this, that would be very easy for you. And when I showed like this actually depicts a cow.
Okay,
So you,
now I get it.
in most of the posters, you see a cow behind the Krishna, right? So why don't you do the next?
Okay, I have more. Okay.
So
Okay, this looks
can
like...
you guess this?
This looks like Nataraja's
You are
position, so this
absolutely
has to be
right.
Shiva.
Yes. This we call as Dolahastam and this is Damarukam. We hold the Damarukam
And
in
what
our
is
right hand.
the most common way in which they show Shiva in
That
class?
is
like this. That would have been very easy for you.
And this is Pataka Hastam and this is Dola Hastam. Actually, there are two types of mudras in classical dance. One is Samyukta Hastas, which is like using the two hands, we depict them. For example, Namaskaram. When we are saying Namaskaram, we use the two hands.
Padmam
And-
is also
Yeah,
Padma is also
like
two.
this,
Samyukta.
like Samyukta Hastam. We
Ala
can
Padma.
also depict. We can also depict with the one hand. So, for example, when we are doing this, this is Dola Hastam, and this is in Nataraja position. It is Pataka. This
So when we use both the hands, it is called Sanyukta Hasta.
Samyukta Hasta, and when we are using only single hand, it is called as Asamyukta Hastas.
Quickly, one more.
Oh, one more. Okay.
This should
Bring
be
it
very
on.
easy. This should be very easy.
Huh.
What if I do?
Oh, Ram. Oh, this is Shri Ram.
So fast.
You can
Then-
show one more.
This would be very easy, I guess. Just now I've like.
Okay. Okay, so this is a Padma.
Yes, you understood it.
So the gods were related to the lotus.
Actually, I would like to give a clue to you. This depicts female goddess.
Okay, so it's a
This is
female
Kapita
god.
Hastam, which represents female god.
Okay, so it's a goddess on a lotus.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is Lakshmi. I guess.
Okay, very nice. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Chalo, I'll give you a very difficult one. You just try to guess it.
Okay.
Oh, that is Shankh in one hand.
Anukriti, you should not give him a
Just
clue.
giving a, he was clueless.
No, it was difficult for me. I couldn't make out. So what was this?
As she was saying, it was Shank,
Okay, it's Shankh.
and the other one is Chakra.
Okay, so Vishnu.
Vishnu. Yes. Very nice.
I had fun. अनुकृति ये हम नोटिस कर रहे हैं कि पिछले कई सालों से हमारे जो फोक डांसेस है उसकी पॉपुलैरिटी धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही है, तो उसका क्या कारण है, उसे कैसे रोका जा सके और गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम्स क्या है इसे सपोर्ट करने के लिए?
एकदम सही कह रहे हो परितोष. अब जैसे मैंने तुम्हें वही डेफिनेशन बेसिक पे जाओ तो जब लोग साथ रहते हैं तब ये करते हैं. अब लोगों ने साथ रहना बंद कर दिया है. पीपल हैव मूव्ड आउट ऑफ विलेजेस, दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड टू देयर कम्युनिटी जैसे पहले कनेक्टेड थे. तो डेफिनेटली मॉडर्नाइजेशन, अर्बनाइजेशन की वजह से ये चीज़ें डिक्लाइन पे हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिक्लाइन हो गई हैं. पर ये दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर ऑल. अब जैसे गरबा तो वर्ल्ड फेमस हो गया है, गिद्दा भांगड़ा भी. तो जब कम्युनिटी स्प्रेड आउट करती है एंड इफ दे रियली अडोर जो वो कर रहे हैं और उसमें काफ़ी प्राइड लेते हैं, तो इट स्प्रेड्स टू अ वाइडर जोग्राफिकल रीजन. पर ओवरऑल डिक्लाइन तो है. अब उसका पहले उसका पर्पस होता था कम्युनिटी की नीड्स को पूरा करना, अभी वो एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस के लिए रह गया है. तो बट इसमें रे ऑफ होप ये है कि गवर्नमेंट अब थोड़ा इंकरेज करने लगी, स्पेशली जो हमारे टूरिज़्म प्रधान प्रदेश हैं जैसे कि राजस्थान है या फिर मणिपुर, वो नागालैंड में भी हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल शुरू है. तो इट इज़ लीडिंग टू रिवाइवल ऑफ दीज आर्ट्स. गवर्नमेंट उनको इंकरेज करती है. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने काफ़ी सारे जोनल कल्चरल सेंटर्स खोले हैं इन सारे आर्टिस्ट को सपोर्ट करने के लिए. उसके अलावा राष्ट्रीय संस्कृति महोत्सव और इस तरह के मेले होते हैं जहाँ पे जितने भी फोक आर्टिस्ट होते हैं उन्हें अपनी प्रतिभा दिखाने का मौका मिलता है. एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के को यूज़ करके भी ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कल्चरल एक्सचेंजेस हों.
So Alekhya, a similar question to you. The popularity of classical dances, according to some experts, is also declining, and younger people don't want to pursue classical music or dance. So, what is the way forward? And is the government doing anything? Is it doing enough to support the classical forms of art?
I would agree with Anukriti, what Anukriti has said. Similar is the case with classical dances also. Parents are having inhibitions about the dance. Along with that, the career opportunities and paucity of time. These are the reasons for less popularity of these classical dances. However, I would say that there is revival of these classical dances recently because of the patronage of government through CCRT scholarship and Sangeeta Natka Academy fellowships. Along with this, recently there are so many universities which are specially established, fine arts universities in the states. For example, Putti Sriramulu Telugu University is fine arts university in which I have studied.
So there is a similar university in Chhattisgarh also, which is called the Khairagarh University. So that specializes in Kathak and classical vocal.
Oh, it's very nice to hear that. And I would say along with this, what Anukriti has said, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program in which the cultural exchanges usually happen. And I would say an example for this is MOU between Telangana government and Haryana government. Along with this, ICCR is promoting it a lot, classical dances को especially.
तुम दोनों ने ही अपने डैफ में डांस मेंशन किया था. यू हैड रिटन अबाउट आंध्र नाट्यम एंड
Yes.
कुचिपुड़ी, यू हैड रिटन अबाउट राजस्थानी फोक डांसेस. सो क्वेश्चंस किस तरह के आए थे एंड हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर योर यूपीएससी इंटरव्यू?
अच्छा, तो जैसे मेरे डैफ में मैंने बहुत स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन किया था राजस्थानी फोक डांसिंग. आई डिडंट वांट टू गिव एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बोर्ड मेंबर्स कि कुछ भी पूछ लो, बट स्टिल दे आस्क्ड एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग अंडर द सन जो कि डांस और म्यूज़िक में आता है. दे ऑब्वियसली आपको राजस्थानी फोक डांसिंग के बारे में तो अच्छे से पता होना ही चाहिए, और देश भर में जो अलग अलग रीजन्स में फोक डांसेस होते हैं दे कैन आस्क यू कि बताओ राजस्थान का ईस्ट में या हिल स्टेट्स के फोक डांसेस से कैसे अलग है. तो यू शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. एक मुझे काफ़ी सरप्राइज़ किया था, अरविंद सक्सेना सर का बोर्ड था. ही आस्क्ड मी कि तुम्हें डांस के बारे में तो पता ही होगा, तुमसे म्यूज़िक के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड दे आस्क्ड मी क्वेश्चन ऑन क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक. उन्होंने मुझे ठुमरी के बारे में पूछा, गिरजा देवी के बारे में पूछा. तो ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा इन चीज़ों को फॉलो करती हूँ तो मेरे को थोड़ा आइडिया था. बट अगर आप डांस या म्यूज़िक में से एक भी चीज़ अगर मेंशन करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा सब चीज़ों को देख लें. ऐसा नहीं कि यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, एंड इट कम्स नेचुरली ऑल्सो. अगर आपकी कोई म्यूज़िक में हॉबी है तो थोड़ा तुम्हें भी पता है क्लासिकल डांसेस के बारे में, यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन ओडिसी एंड दैट, तो इट कम्स वेरी नेचुरली, नथिंग टू पैनिक.
I think the only thing which is predictable about a UPSC interview is its
Unpredictability.
unpredictability.
Usually they say UPSC, it's not union, it is unpredictable.
What did they ask you, Alikya?
For me, the questions were like, what is your favorite classical dance and why? What are like how many types of classical dances are there, and who recognizes the classical dance? It is actually the word classical was given by Sangeeta Natka Academy. So they were asking some questions about Sangeeta Natka Academy, and along with that, Potti Sriramulu Telugu University. So I would say that whatever word is there in your DAF, it is very important. If we have to prepare about every word which is there in your DAF. They were asking about Potti Sriramulu and his martyrdom. And there are certain questions, but the question which I like most is they just asked me, you are sitting in a theatre and you are watching Satriya dance and you are not able to understand the language. So they asked me like, how you will be able to understand that?
So what
What
was your
did you
answer?
say?
My answer was, the language of emotions are universal. So it is not a barrier to understand an art form. The emotions, the mudras, even the mudras are also similar in almost all the classical dances.
So one of the questions that they asked you brings me to our next question. So you have been following folk dances, but you must be having a favorite classical dance also. So what is that?
Yes. So I've always been enchanted by Kathak performances. I like their grace, the way they do it. Bollywood में भी काफ़ी famous है, तो I really liked it. But which I'm always in awe when I see Kathakali dancers, क्योंकि उनका मेकअप करने में ही टेक्स 4 to 5 hours, और फिर उनका कॉस्ट्यूम इतना बड़ा, आहार्य जो तुम अभी बात
The
कर
main
रही थी.
focus of this Kathakali dance is Aharya Abhinaya.
So Aharya
It's
is based on
costume.
costumes and makeup and
हाँ,
decoration.
और इतना वो पहनने के बाद कथकली के अंदर केलरिया पट्टू से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ली गई हैं. मार्शल आर्ट डांस फॉर्म से दे टेक द स्पिन्स एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ द ओनली क्लासिकल डांस जिसमें फेस का इतना ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. दे यूज़ देयर आईज वेरी वेल, आई लिड्स को भी यूज़ करते हैं, एंड दे यूज़ देयर फेशियल मसल्स विच इज़ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो पूरा आई एम completely in awe of them. So I like Kathakali a lot.
And what is your favorite folk dance?
Paritosh, I've been brought up seeing Koya dances in my region. I belong to Karimnagar district in Telangana, so my region has a lot of Koya people. I just love the way they move their hands with the ease with which they perform and the flowy movements in the dance. And also I like Garba, which is from your region. This sounds very silly actually. I used to love the colors of the lehengas. I was attracted towards that lehengas, and I just used to go to my friends and perform that during Navaratris.
This is very natural.
Alekhya, when the classical dance performances used to take place earlier, they used to span across days, across weeks sometimes. But now, due to the paucity of time, the performance has to be squeezed in a time duration of 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So how has that evolved, and what is the Kuchipudi repertoire which the dancers usually showcase these days?
Most of the classical dances have three basic characteristic features, which include nritya, and natya. So
Nritya and Natya.
So these three things, and it is a similar case with the Kuchipudi also. So first we start with invocation of God, Ganesha Vandana. Then we follow the items in Nritya, which includes Shabdam, then Jatiswara, and then we
So Nritya is pure dance, just
Yes.
dance.
yeah, it is just dance without any expressions. The main importance on this Nritya is footwork.
Okay.
So then we enter into Nritya part where we perform Javali, Padams, etc. And the main focus of this Nritya is it includes dance along with the expression.
अभिनय.
Yes.
हाँ.
And coming to the third part, Natya. Here we have different themes. The main theme in this is Bhama Kalapam. So in Bhama Kalapam, what we do is it is an illustrious dance drama which has a storyline. So this is Natya. And after this, we usually conclude it with Tarangam. Tarangam is a special dance in Kuchipudi where we perform it on brass plate. And Paritosh, I would like to say, yesterday when me and Anukriti were discussing, we found an interesting part where Tarangam has a brass plate and the steps were similar to that of Bhavai.
भवाई के अंदर
हाँ.
मैंने तुम्हें शुरू में बताया था कि जब पॉट्स का बैलेंस दिखाना होता है कि आप कितने प्रो हो,
हाँ.
तो दे डू इट ऑन ब्रास प्लेट.
हाँ.
और एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग, जब इसने कुचिपुड़ी में बताया तो मैंने
हाँ.
कहा भवाई में भी होता है, तो इसने कहा तुम स्टेप करके बताओ. आई शोड एंड शी सेड एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग.
The steps
उसके
are
ऊपर
so
बैलेंस
similar.
करके
Balance
you
करना है,
take a
ऐसा,
turn,
ऐसा, yeah.
you move
and
in
then
the
we
front
have
and
to
back.
move in this similar
So-
manner
So
round.
interesting.
Yeah.
Enriching, जो है ना फोक और क्लासिकल, आप कह नहीं सकते कि अलग अलग हैं, एकदम म्यूचुअली enriching.
So my fiancée, she's a Odissi dancer.
Okay.
And I've been following her performances, so I have also had a sense of understanding how the Odissi repertoire looks like. So even their entire performance is divided into three parts: Nritya, and Natya. So they also start with Mangalacharan. So Mangalacharan is invocation of the gods. It could be Prabhu Jagannath or Ganesh ji or Durga for that matter. Then they have Batu. Batu is Nritya, pure dance. And there they interestingly show the dancers playing instruments. So they could be playing the veena, they could be playing the mardal. And after Batu they have Pallavi. I think you have Pallavi
Yes.
in Andhra Natyam also.
Yes.
So that is Nritya. That is followed by Abhinaya or Natya. And finally, which is a very characteristic feature again of Odissi, is the Moksha. So Moksha is a 5 to 7 minute dance piece, but it is very rapid and it drains the dancer. So they are gradually building the crescendo,
And
in the end they go into a trance. इसी के साथ स्पीकिंग ऑर्डर के इस अंक की हम समाप्ति करते हैं. अनुकृति, आलेख्या, thank you so much for being with us today.
It's
We
my
love
pleasure.
being here. We love
yeah,
being
we
here.
loved. Actually, we enjoyed a lot.
Like, so did I, and I am hopeful that our audience will also enjoy this episode and learn something out of it. And while as we end this episode, I would
Before
request-
this, you didn't announce the next episode, Paritosh.
Oh, okay. Why don't you do
Okay,
it?
yeah, so he's a little embarrassed. In the next episode of the Speaking Order, we'll have the host of our show, Paritosh, as the guest. And हमारा वो शो होगा शास्त्रीय संगीत पे. तो stay tuned next episode के लिए. Now continue.
Thank you so much. And so I wanted you to, because we've discussed Abhinay and Natya, could you just show us one specimen of Abhinay from your respective dance forms? You can show it in Andhra Natyam or Kuchipudi, and since you've started learning Kathak, so pick something from Kathak.
मेरे को
and-
लगा नहीं था इतना जल्दी मेरा टेस्ट हो जाएगा. तो आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड लर्निंग, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, बट आई ट्राई. ठीक है, जितना भी मैंने देखा है, तो आई ट्राई टू डिपिक्ट अ स्टोरी. रामायण में जब सीता को वो हिरण दिखता है, स्वर्ण हिरण ही था वो, और बहुत सुंदर, एंड शी वांट्स इट, और फिर राम उसके लिए हंड्रेड. तो आई ट्राई डिपिक्टिंग, एंड प्लीज फॉरगिव मी फॉर ऑल
No, no, you can do it.
So this is Sita. So
It's very nice.
And Alekhya, what are you showing us?
I'll show you about a dance in which Gopika will be selling buttermilk and Krishna will try to obstruct the lady.
మధురా నగరిలో చల్లనం